it's Holly, and I was super excited today because I got yarn mail. I had ordered just a week or so ago, I ordered some custom crochet hooks off of an Etsy seller called TooShayCrochet, and I'm gonna put that right here. And I was super excited. These were custom made hooks. I already filmed a little clip of me opening them, so I'm gonna cut to that right now. Let's go check it out. Okay, so before I open this envelope, I want to tell you where I ordered these hooks from. I ordered them off of a Etsy seller named TooShayCrochet, which I will put that down at the bottom of the screen. Well, not this way. TooShayCrochet. And they were custom hooks, so what she did was, I mean, she makes solid wood hooks too, but these are a metal hook with a wooden hook handle. And I ordered a custom sizing of 5 hooks, and I paid $99 plus shipping. Again, shipping will be, you know, depending on where you live, so I'm not going to talk about that too much, but let's go ahead and cut this guy open. Oof. There we go. I made a little hole. They're wrapped up quite nicely in another box. I just got to peek, make sure no address label. So there's an envelope with a tiny little flat rate box, which is super cute. Oh my, okay. Just gonna end up ripping this box a little because, oops, sorry, bumped the camera there. I do appreciate that they pack these so well. I'll give them that. But if, oh, I keep bumping my camera. I am so sorry, guys. I didn't realize these were in there so well. If anybody with fake nails understands, I don't want to break my nail ripping this box open. Okay, I'm almost there. Almost to the other side, guys. Okay, now that I've mangled that box, let's just, oh, of course, it's like stuck in there. Let's just get rid of, whoop, push all the packaging right off. All right, I shouldn't need my scissors anymore. It's all wrapped in bubble wrap, so that's unwrappy. Oh, and it's like a little bubble wrap sack. So, okay, and this is, let me just check off camera. Yep, this is just my order with all the sizes I ordered and whatnot. Nothing important. Okay, oh, I don't know which one to open first. I think I'll open this one first. Are you guys those kind of people that like save your paper? You don't like rip it? I do. I rip my paper. Oh, here's the first one. This must be the 3.75 I ordered. So we've got the little metal hook under there. I believe these are, I would have to double check, but I think they're Susan Bates. I'm not sure. Maybe they're not. But here's the wooden handle. It's super, super shiny, like super shiny. I can actually smell when I open the box the lacquer that she put on this. But that's, oh, I mean, look at how gorgeous that is. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, man, I did not think they were going to be this pretty, and they're really light. Love it. So that's the first one. And I'm going to go ahead and assume this is the next one down, which would be the 3.5. So here it is. Wow. I do love this blue and brown. Really, really pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay, let's open up the other one. Okay, sorry about the little jump there, but I had to plug my camera in. One thing that I noticed after I had already set it is you can't tell very well on this one, but she actually put the letters in. So this is an F, which is the 3.75. And then this little blue one is not the 3.5. It's actually a D, so that makes it the 3.25, which, I mean, I would have figured it out eventually, but it's good to know that she put, like, right there at the end, see that? A little letter. Okay, so we'll set these to the side, and we will open up our other package. I'm so excited. Those are just gorgeous. I can't even tell you how excited I am about these. That's so loud. Oh, look at this one. Let me refocus. Oh, this might be my favorite. Look at how colorful it is. Oh, and if you see right here at the end here, it's an E. So that means this is the 3.5. Oh, it's beautiful. I don't know if the colors are coming up, let's see, quite as well as I want them to. Refocus. You got like a reddy color, green, yellow, and hot pink, which, come on, look at that work. It's just beautiful. My goodness. So I'm going to put that in the order of its size there. So, not that that really matters, but let me refocus. Camera got a little out of focus. Grab the next one. Ooh. Wow. This is a B, which makes it a 2.25. This is the smallest hook I got. You can see, look at that beautiful coloring. It's got like a gray blue, yeah, kind of a gray blue, some green, and a yellow, a goldy yellow. Really, really pretty. Oh, wow. So that's our smallest guy. And then our last one, so cute. It's just black and hot pink. Oh, how pretty is this? Can you guys see? Oh, it's so pretty. And this is the C, which is our 2.75. Oh, it's so, so pretty. I cannot tell you which one of these. Let me refocus here. We're a smidge out of focus. There we go. I can't even tell you which one, let me move that paper, is really my favorite because, oh, they're all so pretty. Which one's your guys' favorite? Comment down below and let me know, because I don't know. I'm stuck between, I really like my pink, but this colorful one, but then the blue and this brown one. Okay, I don't know. They're all gorgeous. So these are my hooks from TooShayCrochet. If you couldn't tell in that clip of me opening them, I am just in awe of how amazing these hooks are. I mean, it's just gorgeous. The colors, the way they're carved, and surprisingly, they're very lightweight, which is great because I don't need to be like, when I'm really like working on a project, I don't need to be weighed down, but they're beautiful and they fit my hand just so nicely. Like it's got a little spot right here for my thumb. I don't know if you guys could see that. Oh, just amazing. Now I believe, and I could be wrong, so if I am wrong, feel free to correct me in the comments, but I believe that the way these are, I'm sorry if there's a lot of noise. If you guys know, I have puppies, and they're down here with mommy today, so they're running around making a little noise, so sorry about that, guys. But I believe the way this is made, and again, I could be wrong, is they take very thin pieces of wood and they dye those thin pieces of wood and then they layer them and they glue them in between each layer and then they press them together like really hard, like you can't do by hand, but like with machinery, press it together and then they cut it and then they carve it into these just amazing. I mean, look at the colors, the way it stripes on the side and the beautifulness in the front. I could not tell you which one of these is my favorite. They're all absolutely stunning. I think she did beyond an amazing job. I would 100% recommend you guys go and check her out. These are high quality hooks. I would definitely, I can't wait. I'm going to be making so many things with these. I just cannot wait to use them. I definitely recommend. Again, it's TooShayCrochet. It's right here at the bottom of the screen. And I will leave a link in the description box to her page, so definitely check that out. Now these ones, were custom made for me. I like the wood to go all the way up the handle of the little metal hook underneath. Some people prefer to just have, let me set these down here, hopefully they don't go crazy. All right, there we go. Some people on your metal hooks, you know that it has that little finger guard right about this area where, or the little finger rest where you put your thumb. Some people like that to stay in their hook. And in which case she actually has ones that only have the wood that come up to about here. Again, same quality. They look just as adorable as these, but it's a shorter wood handle. I personally wanted it to go all the way up. I like, if you guys could see, my fingers sit right in this groove. It's going to be just perfect for me. So I like that, but she has the shorter ones. I believe she even has some that are completely made of wood. I specifically wanted the metal tip because I crochet with a very small hook with my dowels. Oh, sorry, something's in my eye. Oh, sorry about that. I crochet with a very small hook when I make my dowels. And sometimes I had been using my wooden hook, which worked out wonderful. I absolutely loved it. But I dropped it and it broke. And then I had tried some cheaper hooks and they actually snapped. They were made of plastic, they snapped. So I was like, no. And then metal hooks are just too thin for me. They really hurt my hand. So I wanted something with a big fat handle, and I like the wood. So when I saw these, I just jumped right on them. I love it. They're gorgeous. I paid $19.99 per hook. So I ordered 5 of them. So there was just under $100. It was like $99.98. But so one hook all by itself is about $19.99 plus shipping. Shipping depends on where you live. I could tell you what I paid for shipping, but that's not going to be the same what you pay for shipping, because you might live next door to her and I live far away. Who knows, you know? So it's about $20 a hook plus shipping, which I think is an amazing deal. I mean, look at the work she put into this. I mean, just amazing. The color combinations are all fabulous. I love them all. I can't pick a favorite. They're just amazing. I want more. I want more colors. I want more everything. They're just beautiful. I will definitely be ordering more from her, and I recommend you go check her out. So again, for the last time, in case I haven't said it about a billion times in this video, TooShayCrochet. It's at the bottom of the screen. There is a link down in the description box. Please go check her out. Send some love. And if you do purchase a hook from her, please tell her that you were referred by the proper pineapple. Okay? So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys buy any of her hooks, please share photos with me either on Ravelry or on the Facebook page for the Proper Pineapple group. I love them. And if you get one too, I'd love to know which one you got. They're just so pretty. I can't stop looking at them. There are some, so let's see. Yep, that's all I want to talk about the hooks. They're beautiful. Please go check out her channel, or her Etsy page. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Speaking of my Ravelry page, I do have some cowls going on, some crochet alongs. So if you're interested in that, head over there, check those out. Don't forget about this month's giveaway video. Go check that out. Enter to win. There's a lot of great prizes. And don't forget to hit this little pineapple up here and subscribe to the channel. You do not want to miss out on all the fun we have here on the Proper Pineapple. Bye, guys.